here is my final word, everyone. And it's directly to Mr. President. And I hope it's not too late to tell him a happy new year. And I'm hoping it's a new year, new Nigeria. There are a lot of people who say new year, new me. Hoping it's a new year, new president, new Nigeria. Well, Mr. President, Nigerians are watching. They are counting the months, the weeks, and the days. And in 4 short months, your administration will enter its second year. A pivotal milestone where patience gives way to accountability. You campaign on the promises of renewed hope, better security, abundant food supply, and policies that should lift millions from hardship and poverty. Yet, after a year marred by soaring tariffs, crippling energy costs, and dwindling purchasing power, millions of Nigerians are grappling with unprecedented hardship. The question that echoes across the land is, where is the light at the end of the tunnel? But I hope everyone might want to start afresh with a renewed vigor and hope that 2025 will be a better year. You assured Nigerians that this pain is a prelude to progress, a difficult but necessary phase that would yield joy and prosperity. And Nigerians, resilient as ever, they've kept faith with you and in your words. But faith, Mr. President, is not infinite. Time is your most fleeting asset, and it is slipping away. As you approach the halfway mark of your 4-year term, it is clear the clock is not on your side any longer. The policies you've introduced require visible results. The people demand proof that their sacrifices will not be in vain. President Tinubu, Nigerians understand that you are not a magician, but he elected you with a hope that your policies would bring relief, not amplify their sufferings. Today, they are grappling with soaring inflation driven by the removal of fuel subsidies, skyrocketing food prices that have left over 30 million citizens at risk of hunger, and a naira devaluation that has crippled purchasing power. Transportation costs are at an all-time high. Businesses are struggling under regulatory uncertainties, and public outrage is mounting over government spending on luxury items while many live in abject poverty. Nigerians are not asking for miracles. They are asking for focus, action, and empathy. Fix at least 3 issues that directly impact survivor. Stabilize food prices, make transportation affordable, and reduce inflation. You must assemble the best minds regardless of region or allegiance to tackle these challenges. Time is not on your side, Mr. President. Nigerians need urgent resolve, and they are watching. This new year offers you a fresh opportunity to reset, to lead with empathy, and to demonstrate that you truly mean well for the Nigerian people. Reduce the cost of governance, lead by example, and show Nigerians that sacrifice begins at the very top. Our leaders cannot luxuriate in opulence while citizens languish in poverty. This is a time for decisive, transformative action. Nigerians deserve a leader who is firm yet compassionate, bold yet introspective, and unwavering in his commitment to deliver the better Nigeria he promised. History is calling, Mr. President, and so are the people of Nigeria. As the media, we pledge to hold you accountable, to amplify the voices of the voiceless, and to demand justice for every Nigerian struggling to breathe under the weight of economic hardship. The sands of time are shifting. President Bola Tinubu, will you write your name in gold? And that is my final word tonight.
All right, according to Seun, in fact, I want to applaud Seun for coming out to talk on this whole issue. He don't have talk before. The guy don't talk so many times, and he's coming out again to talk now. This is some of the things that I talk about, calling out our media anchors, representatives, or whatever. They should be talking. They should be talking because the government will listen to bigger voice more quicker than the lower voices. You know, that's why you see we just have platform to call out the government to do the right thing, because we understand the excruciating situation in our country currently, which is going on, affecting a lot of people. Yes, according to Seun, you know, he's saying a fresh start of 2025. It reminds Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, on what to do, because in 2024, you and I know that they failed and failed and failed woefully. Then they went on by asking, you know, we are almost half through the 4 years term, which you and I know that, yes, the 4 years is almost completed. We are already in the half path right now, because 2 years, let's say 2 years, some people are still saying 19 months in office and all that. 19 months and 24 months is not the same thing, or 20 months and 24 months is almost the same thing. But we have not seen any significant change to date, and Nigerians are languishing away. Then they went on by saying that focus on the key issues. What are the key issues? You understand what is affecting us in the country before you said, I can do it. Yes, you came out and said, I can fix the country. We did not expect you to come in and start blaming the past government of 2015, because you guys are running away from the immediate past government, which is the same satanic APC people from satanic Buhari and his whole cabinet, Malami and others. None of them have been sent to jail. None of them have been called for questioning and all that. But do you know what APC are doing? They are jumping the immediate past government and going to 2015, Goodluck Jonathan's government, blaming Goodluck Jonathan's government. Buhari ruled for 8 years. Nobody's blaming Buhari from their own cabinet. Now, that is why Seun is saying that, you should focus, on the key issues. Time to reset and refocus. I've said it so many times before that Tinubu needs to step on toes. The only way Nigeria can be better today and be beneficial to you and I and everyone in Nigeria, you must step on toes. All this, I know that. This person have been my friend for a while, my papa, my mama, and all that, every relatives, in the right word, nepotism and favoritism is not going to take Nigeria forward. Because a lot of us are practicing this thing, not just the government, almost all of us practicing this nepotism and favoritism. That is why you see that we don't take decisions when it's necessary. Then he went on by saying that, ready to write your name in gold. Are you sure Tinubu wants to write his name in gold? Especially with his age now. You can leave a very, very good footprint, and everything that Nigerians have right now in their head can turn around to become a process for you. Yes, there's nothing that is too late to do. I've said it so many times that I did not support Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to become a president. I know he did not win the election, but I've also mentioned so many times on my broadcast, for those of you that have been following us, that if Tinubu start doing the right thing today, I'll be the first to start praising him. I've said it, and many of you are aware of that I've said it, that if Tinubu start doing the right thing today, the same me, myself, Elvis, that used my platform to fight against the satanic APC, we start raining praises on Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So some of what that is saying that, no, if Tinubu fail, I want Tinubu to continue to fail. Tinubu is already failing and it's affecting us. It's not affecting Tinubu. Let's say it how it is. Yes, it's not. It's affecting me. It's affecting you. It's affecting us. It's not affecting Tinubu and his family. That's how it works. So stop praying for any of our leaders to be failing. That is the truth. So it's not too late. Tinubu have not done half the 4 years, almost. It can still reverse back to start stepping on toes. The only way Nigeria can be better is to step on toes, because a lot of people that they are refusing to step on their toes are the people that destroyed this country to date. I'm happy that Seun came out again to speak into this. Nigerians, I urge you all, everywhere you belong, anywhere you belong, it doesn't matter if you're a Nigerian that live in Nigeria or live in the diaspora, please speak, continue to speak. Nigeria is not working and is affecting us, not the government. Thank you guys. Good morning. Please share, like. This is NAIJA Watch Media.